Okay, guys. New rubber. Michelin Commander 3. Just got back from the shop. Right and rear. They give me a hell of a deal on those tires. I got both tires put on for less than $500. That's installed, balanced, and good to go. I couldn't pass it up because they're $350 just for the rear tire. So I thought, what the hell, they would match anybody. And J&P Cycles has the Michelin Commander 3s on sale right now. Now these tires, guys, are well known to get the mileage. The last one I had was a Dunlop. It Dunlopped out at about 12,000 miles. I think 11,700 maybe, almost 600 and some. It was starting to get down to the bare. So they just don't hold up. They're good tires, don't get me wrong. They ride well. They're very sticky. But these, I just went through some of the back roads out here, and I mean, they stick. I rode about 100 miles, got them broke in good, and then I took them down the back roads. Whew. I like these tires. They ride really well. They're smooth, they're comfortable, and they're great in the curve. Well, that's it for Frosty's Travels today, guys. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.